Yo, what is up everybody? It's your boy Simon Khalil. Thank you for joining me on another one. Today let's talk about my iPhone 12 Pro Max versus the iPhone 14 Pro Max that was announced last week. Now, I'm definitely upgrading. I already pre-ordered that shit. Just want to get up here and explain why I didn't go from the 12 to the 13 and why I don't see there being an upgrade if you're going from the 13 to the 14. Now this is just my opinion, guys. Nobody out there get butt hurt. I don't want to hear all the comments. But let's get into it. I currently have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, I've had it for the last 2 years. I got it when it came out about 2 years ago, and honestly, hasn't done me wrong yet. I didn't find a need to upgrade from the 12 Pro Max to the 13 Pro Max because there really wasn't much of a change except a couple of tweaks to the camera, let's just say, and cinematic mode and the A15 Bionic chip. But I don't think that was a big deal. Now, yeah, you guys may think a little bit different, but for my needs, I always have this bad boy on me. I also have like a GoPro on me or an Insta360 on me, so I always have the availability to film things in 4K, slow-mo, whether it's my phone, whether it's an action camera, or whether it's in any particular situation. So I didn't find a need. It was necessary to go from the iPhone 12 to the iPhone 13. But I find that there are major differences between the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Going from an A14 Bionic chip in the 12 Pro Max to the A16, as well as, to be honest, the Pro Motion, I really enjoy. I do want that 120 hertz, so that is a big deal for me. The camera bump from the 12 megapixel main camera to 48 megapixel main camera is a huge deal to me. The tweaks to the cinematic mode and other items like that that are built into the camera are major news. So I found that it's very worth the upgrade from this to that. But the major difference for me was battery life. Over the last 3 months, I've seen this battery life sort of go to shit. And supposedly the new iPhone 14 has a bigger battery. The battery life is fantastic. I never had an issue until 3 months ago. I'm not sure what it was or what I did to it for that to happen. I did notice that when the beta for iOS 16 came out, I tried it. My battery severely suffered in that sense. Now that could be just because it's a beta. That's completely my bad. I did that shit to my phone, but there's no going back at that point. So I said whatever. And then you get the dynamic island feature, and then the notch on the phone is no more. It's actually functional rather than just sitting there. So I'm interested in that too. That's been probably one of the biggest reasons. Not gonna lie, I was going to wait to pre-order it and just go to the store and buy it in a couple of months, but I had to upgrade the wife too, so she's going to be getting the iPhone 14 Pro because she wanted that extra camera bump, and she's a photographer's wife, so why the hell not, She likes taking videos of the kids, she likes taking photos of the kids, so we figured, you know what, let's just upgrade her and call it a day. And to be honest, I think this eSIM is going to be very simple, because when I had to switch from Sprint to T-Mobile SIM, I physically had to take it to the store simply because I know there are some people that brick their phone for just entering the wrong information when they switch to SIM at home. So I've seen it in person, so I figured, you know what? Let me just take it to the store, get it done. Now, there's no more of that. There's no more, pop in, pop out features. Also, I feel like I'm going to be getting rid of my GoPro. So I do have an Insta360 camera, but I feel that, I have an OtterBox on this thing literally all the time. So I don't feel the need to still carry my GoPro around everywhere. I like filming with this. My only thing about filming on this during the summertime, I felt it get really, really hot. This past summer, especially during those real like torture months. That's the only thing. I did notice that it got very, very hot when I was filming outside. Now, I don't know if that's because of the case. I don't know if that's because of the heat just alone or what it was, but I did find that it got very, very hot. And I had to stop filming on it because, you get that stupid stupid notification about your phone being too hot. So other than that, guys, I just want to jump in here, give you my opinion about why I'm going to be getting the iPhone 14 Pro Max and upgrading from the 12 Pro Max. I don't find it necessary to upgrade every year anymore because there are very, very minute differences. Again, to each their own. Just dropping my knowledge down here. If you have any comments about this video, if you drop some knowledge down below in the comments, make sure you like, share, subscribe to this channel. I appreciate it very much. Let's grow this channel a little bit more, guys. I'd love to see it pop off. And I appreciate all of y'all. Till the next time, peace out.